start out with synthetic division, and it's pretty easy. All you have to do is first draw out a box and put the constant of the divisor outside of the box and make sure to flip the sign. And then next you're going to write out all the coefficients of the dividend at the top of the box, and be sure to line up the problem in decreasing order of degree, and also add some placeholders if you're missing some of the degrees. So what you're going to do is bring the first coefficient down, multiply it by the constant, and then you're going to add straight down. So multiply the 9 by the 2, 18, 18 plus 0 is 18, 2 times 18 is 36, negative 41 plus 36 is negative 5. And then you're just going to write out your equation, and it'll always be one less power than the beginning equation, so that's one way you can find out what degree it will be. And then the last number will be your remainder. And you can section it off if you'd like, and then you can just bring down the other numbers straight down, and so the last number becomes your constant, and then from there you can just build the powers up and go to the 9x, the 2x squared, and the x to the power of 3. Alright, next we're going to do long division using the same problem. So basically you're just going to set it up like a normal division problem. So you write the divisor outside and then the dividend in the inside, and make sure to add those placeholders if you're missing a degree. And then you're basically going to see how many times does the first x go into the first number, so that goes into an x cubed. Make sure to line it on the x cubed row, and then you're just going to multiply it by the x and constant, and then you're just going to subtract them, so you're going to switch the signs like that, and then keep dividing, so then the x goes into the 2x cubed, 2x squared amount of times, and then multiply that, and then just subtract them, which would switch the signs, so that's why the negative becomes a positive, and then bring down the number, make sure to bring those down. The x goes into the 9x squared 9x times, so then multiply it, and you get a 9x squared, and then my camera died. So we're going to have to do another take. Alright, so we multiplied that, and then bring down the negative 41. How many times does the x go into that? Goes into it 18 times, 18 x, 18x, 18 times negative 2, negative 36, and then make sure to subtract those, and then you get a remainder of 5. So then your final equation is x cubed plus 2x squared plus 9x plus 18 minus 5 over x minus 2. And make sure to put it over that x minus 2. And then that is it. Hope you liked it, Mr. Soda.